I have 2 decades of experience in that industry, which almost half of that is with Norco. So I've started on the shop floor as a boat builder, then I've progressed to be a production supervisor, and at the end as a manufacturing engineer for the last couple of years. I've been using my experience knowing the processes very well to improve the bonds and the planning of the production. That's the main 2 keys, I would say. The main one is obviously issue the bonds, create the parts, check that all drawings are up to date, and help other engineers on any daily. To work with Norco is a great opportunity to work with others as a team and use and share the knowledge with the colleagues. Knowing my job from the shop floor where I did start, I would mention the creation of the bonds, which we saved a lot on the materials. That's a very good question. We're taking a part in all training programs for engineers. We obviously got the options for personal development plans, etc. as well. So yeah. So from my experience, again, it's very important to know the business from the, if I may say, scratch. Yeah. Because again, to be a good manufacturing engineer is always important to know the processes. Yeah. So yeah, I would say that is the most. There is a answer in that question as are working together. Oh, another very good question. Working on a new products is always been like interested for me, and it's a great opportunity to develop knowledge and the things you've never done. It's always like exciting.